Greetings, greetings fellow nerds, Motor City Games here with another Sorcery Contested Realm box opening from beta. This should be the 2025 beta, aka the third wave. I hate to use the word should because I learned in sales training that's a pretty shitty word. But let's take a look. There we go. Center. I don't know, some people think that all the foils are on one side, but if it's different every box, doesn't matter. Box topper with your foil sorcerer avatar and some rubble and other tokeny things in there. So let's shut up and get to ripping. Sister of Silence. Okay. Yeah, this looks like third wave as bright as the colors are here. And in my opinion, third wave has the best color saturation of all. First wave is pretty wiped out. Death Speaker. Good avatar. Bone Rebel. Foil, that's a weird spot for a foil to be. I'm not quite as adept to the where the curios are. Ooh, foil Pudge Butcher. I did not have that one. With that crazy, he needs a man's ear or a bro. So that's a good one. The foil I did not have. I'm not as up with the curios on beta. That ones that don't jump out together, weird ones like, I think it was alpha, the trolls would have like on the back, oh, here we go, instead of Eric's Curiosa there, let's see how close I can get. Is it? Nope, then it focuses in the back. It would say Eric's Curio, but I think that's just 8 from alpha. Where did they go? Yeah, Bone Rebel to... Whoop, hey, just to show off the differences here, and then of course the full artwork there, which is great. I do love that aspect of the foils. Alright, I need to stop buying sorcery. I know that's not what Eric's Curiosa wants to hear, but I need to wait impatiently for Dragon Lord to come out. Oh, there's a dual land. I guess I should have been paying attention for those. Nimbus Gen. But Dragon Lord and then Gothic, the next large expansion. Dragon Lord is just going to be a small expansion, I think 18 cards altogether. Ooh, a foil mix. I've never gotten one of those. Yay! That really jumps out with the mixed Terra there. And here is the full art. I'm going to assume the mixed Terra is the most inexpensive out of all the foil mixes, because that's just, you know, my luck. So, although I know when the next sets come out, oh, another dual land, the people who have a lot more money than I, oh, there's a good unique, are going to go crazy and buy them all, and I'll be lucky for a pirate ship. Just great artwork. Great artwork. I'll be lucky if I can even just get one set or one box pack, whatever you want to call it, of Dragon Lords that I can. Atlas Wanderers. Another, just look at that fun art. Another foil. Wills of the Wisp foil. Just how they jump out at you. I think they have the best foils in any game. I love the Alpha Clash foils from their first set, but they've changed that so they all look different now, and they kind of look more like a regular game out there. Riddle Sphinx. Save the Tatas. Boss Control. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Aqueduct. There's the Aqueduct. Ooh, Queen. Last box I got a foil Queen, so that works. Control. Nope. Where are the turtles? Tufted turtles, that is. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. See, I try to make a joke of the Office joke, and anyway. Let's troll. No, ding, screaming skull. Observatory. Wave Shaper. Avatar. I really hope they end up reprinting the avatars from Alpha. It'll be interesting to see what avatars come out in Gothic. Tracker. We've already seen the Dragon Lord avatar from that set. It's going to be, of course, dragon focused. Let you use a card from, if I remember correctly, that's not on the table. Maelstrom. Oh yeah, that pulls. I don't know why it's not focusing. I apologize for that. The angle? Sorry. Or just because I'm an idiot. Which that's probably more like it. Let's just put that pile here. Oh, my favorite card. My favorite card. I just bought one. Thanks to the wonderful people at Cold Foil Heroes. And then I pull one. I wasn't about to buy a booster box just to get one card, but I did buy one booster box when this wave came out, Pudge Butcher, just so that I could try, because I have one each of foil and non-foil of Alpha, Beta, Summer Beta, and Third Wave of my favorite card, that my favorite art, and now I just need to get an artist proof. Oh, foil. Foil Rain of Arrows. So far nothing really jumps out. Dream Quest, that is a good one to pull. Ooh, Foil Seer, a Foil Avatar. Those are good ones. Alright, let's keep going from the last pile here. Fingers crossed, right? Self-same in foil dromedary, foil camel, and Geomancer beta avatars. Those things are like 5 cents. Replication, just great artwork. This box isn't so hot either. This is God telling me stop spending money, Mirage. Really, I could use a River of Flame since I play with it in my deck and I've only pulled one. and I'm not buying another one. Mother Nature, sure. When I was buying Alpha, when this first came out, I got a couple Mother Natures and ended up selling one and trading one. Spiral Edge, just beautiful. Look at this art of Vasily. Just so cool. That would be a great foil to pull. Land Deed. How many foils have I got so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, okay, so no more foils, I'm guessing. I think 8 per box. Illusionist. Oh, okay, there's a good unique site to pull. And definitely, I know this sounds bad to say, but I definitely did not get my money's worth from this box or the Arthurian Legends box. Just, again, beautiful artwork, great card that I play with. Blessed Oak, that's a good one. I wish I'd get the Extinguish Curio. Just one Curio of any kind would be great. And last 2 packs. See what kind of bull crap I pull. Pull crap, maybe? Chimera. Blop, 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 blop. Ah, that paper binder smell just wafts up. Last pack. Just Realm. Boost pack. And I'm going to assume it's going to suck. Oh, there's another foil. Sling Pixie. And Mask of Mayhem. Boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop. East, West Dragon in foil. Well, it's a foil I didn't have. It'd be better if it was a West East Dragon, you know. But, and that is all of them. So crazy how these are.
Boom, 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 boom.